Okay, now let's learn how to set up locators. Now we have a left locator and right locators. And what are locators? Locators allow us to select certain area of our project or certain numbers of bars or beats that we usually want to loop. That's the most common usage of it. So in order to select a locator, you can see these two little triangles. Actually, it looks like one triangle at the moment. And by hovering it with your cursor, it turns into a pencil. Now by holding your left click and dragging to the left or right, you basically make a selection. I'm going to drag it to right, and now I'm going to select these two bars from 2 to 4. And now I have my locator set up. As you can see on the left side, this is my left locator. On the right side, it's my right locator. And now we can loop this area in between and maybe make some recordings. And to loop it, we go to our transport panel and click the loop symbol. So if I click on it, this turns purple, at least in my CUBASE 11. In older CUBASE versions, I think it looked a little bit different. But in CUBASE 11, it turns purple. And now this means that I've created a cycle, or this is a loopable area. Now let's say if I press play, let's see what happens. Now my click is turned off. We don't need it for now, but let's see what happens. It's looping it, right? It goes back and forth, back and forth. Okay, it's in a loop now. And another way to set locators is to use shortcuts. So by pressing Control, so holding it, and left clicking on the bar where you want to select locator. So I'm going to click on bar 1. I will set my left locator. To select your right locator, hold Alt on PC and click, let's say, at bar 5 or bar 7, right? And it moves it instantly. So that's a faster way to do it. And again, my suggestion when using loop, again, I like using shortcuts, and I have an entire section dedicated to it in this course. It improves your work speed and workflow a lot by just pressing slash symbol on your keyboard, or divide. I like to use slash. By pressing slash, again, I don't want to confuse you. It's the same symbol, just, it can be called slash or divide. And by pressing it, you can enable loop or disable it. Now it's disabled. If I click on it, if I press it again, it's enabled. And this is how you set locators and create a loop cycle.